Hi guys, ready to make the honey garlic chicken with me? So this is what I have. It's a very simple recipe. It really cooks fast. The only time that you need is to cook the chicken, stir fry it a little. That's the only time that you take. Then we'll just add all the veggies and the garlic together. So it's a quick recipe. So here we go. I have about a pound of chicken tenders, boneless chicken tenders, cut into about a cube-sized portions. Okay, and I have some corn flour here, about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to be using 1 spoon of cayenne pepper and some salt. So that's the seasoning we'll be putting in the chicken before we fry it. So before we start, let me get my pan warm. And I'm using just sunflower oil. You can do vegetable oil, canola oil, corn oil, doesn't matter. We will just pour some into the pan, let it get warm. Good. That was about 3 large tablespoons. You could use more if you want to cook the chicken faster, but I think this is good. So here you go. Let's put some salt, like a teaspoon of salt. We like it spicy, so I just made I put about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You could totally omit it or use black pepper, just fresh ground black pepper instead. I'm gonna use like about 3 spoons of corn flour and mix it up. You just have to coat the chicken properly with the corn flour so it becomes crisp. So this corn flour will make the chicken crisp, very tasty, and also, you know, when it mixes with the juices and the oil, our sauce will have a good consistency because of the corn flour. All right, I think our oil it's already hot. This stove is hot, so carefully spoon it in to the oil. Be careful. Okay, let's see how much I can put in. I think I can go with like all of it. Let it cook on both sides until it's completely cooked through. It will take about 10 minutes at least. Few minutes on each side, so let it cook. And while that's cooking, I can just show you the rest of our ingredients. I have about 2 large tablespoons of chopped garlic, coarsely chopped, but chopped fresh garlic. We will be using soy sauce, honey, red chili flakes, and just a dash of sesame oil, just to add that Asian flavor which we need. And I have chopped onions and different colored bell peppers, the red, green, and yellow, into cubes. They're about that size, like an inch. So just keep that going, and that's it. We're going to toss all this together with our chicken, and we will have our honey garlic chicken. Yeah, just flip the chicken over so it cooks on the other side. You need to make more, just proportionally increase your ingredients, right? So if you go 2 times, then just increase the corn flour accordingly, salt for your taste. This should feed about 2 or 3 people. And they actually look so good. They're crisp on one side and golden, like the cayenne pepper. It's got that nice golden color. It's actually looking really good. Smells good too. I'm going to let this cook for a few more minutes so that it's cooked through. We don't want any raw chicken in our honey garlic chicken. So let this cook. So after this is done, I'm going to drain this onto a plate and start over. Okay, take another pan or the same pan, it doesn't matter. There's lesser oil, and then we'll stir fry the veggies first and throw in the chicken. Okay. onto a plate. Be careful when you do that so the oil doesn't splatter on your hands. So the chicken looks great. I'm going to put this, I'm going to switch my pan. I just switched my pan to this deep cast iron. It's called a balti bowl. So let's see how that works for us. Some olive oil. Just about a tablespoon. Let's start with the garlic first, okay? So all of the garlic right into the oil. And it's okay that the oil is not hot right now because the flavors of the garlic will get into the oil and slowly warm up. So this oil is going to taste really good. I like it to be a little darker than this, so I'm going to let it toast a couple more minutes. So in case you don't want to use chicken, you could do many things. You could use paneer, which is the Indian cheese, Indian cottage cheese. You could use tofu. You could just use any vegan substitute that you want. It tastes just as good. Yeah, I'm just using chicken because we're eating that tonight. All right, so the first thing that I want to put in are the onions, because I like the onions to be cooked. Yep. The pot is really hot, the oil is hot, the garlic is toasty, and yeah, the onions are coming along really well, really well. I just want it to be a little softer than they are right now, light pink. So that just takes a couple of minutes. I'm just stirring it a little so that the garlic doesn't burn. Yeah, so keep going. It looks great, coming along very well. It's going to be time to put our peppers in very soon. So here you go. See, the edges look darker, yeah, and the onion itself is getting a little translucent. So yeah, so the soft taste of a raw onion is almost gone. That's perfect. See how quickly it's moving? It's an easy breezy recipe. All right, let's go ahead and put our peppers. I'm gonna put my red. We like peppers, so let's put our red, yellow, and green peppers. Okay, all of them. All right, and then once again, give it a good stir. You're doing good. Doesn't this look lovely? Look at the color and the aroma. And so healthy. You know, you're getting all your vitamins. Every meal that I think it should be, your plate should be colorful, should be fresh. And anything that you eat should make you feel energized. Anything that makes you feel sluggish and I want to sleep now, I can't move, either it doesn't work for your system or you ate too much. So eat healthy, light, colorful foods which nourish your body. I think the peppers look pretty good. Then I'm going to add the chicken into this. All right, here we go. In go the chicken. Sesame oil here. I'm just going to put a dash into my soy sauce. Yeah. So now this is the time when you're going to add all our spices. There goes the soy sauce and all of our honey. Ooh, it's hot. Just a little bit more. Use your judgment as to how much you want, how much of the spice you want. Okay, now sauce. Now voila, this is amazing. They look so good. I'm going to turn the burner off at this point. I'm going to let the sauces just simmer. So guys, it looks and smells amazing. Amazing. It looks, I think it's perfect. So I'm going to just let this rest for a few minutes so that the flavors all match up and play together, and you know, and when it's on your plate it's delicious. So I would serve this with white or brown rice, jasmine rice, normal rice, and then, you know, dress up the plate with this around it. So I'll be doing that for you in just a few minutes. But yeah, take a look. It's perfect. Perfect blend of flavors, perfect blend of color. I think it's great. I hope you enjoy it. I'll just plate it for you soon. All right, our chicken looks great. I just let it sit for a few minutes for the flavors to kind of mix in together. It's perfect. Now I'm going to serve it. Okay, I just have about half a cup of white jasmine rice and the veggies, and then take a pretty plate like that with some jasmine rice and toss it right over. That's perfect. A little green to make it look better. I just have some sesame seeds just to make it look nicer. And voila, here's our honey garlic chicken ready for you. Can't wait to taste it. There you go. That's a thumbs up. You must try this for yourself and your family, and let me know how you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and YouTube at Smita's Urban Kitchen. Thank you, and until later.